Hello, and welcome to my BBC Ultra Screencast. My name is Elizabeth Glass, and I will show you some useful tools to help you navigate BBC Ultra for the first time. On the left is the session menu. Here you can start recording the session, call in and hear audio on your phone, report an issue, learn about Collaborate, and get some help and view the privacy policy. If you wish to start recording a session, you simply hit Start Recording, and the session will begin recording. If you wish to stop recording, simply hit Stop Recording, and the session will stop recording. If you wish to call in on your phone, you simply will type in this phone number onto your phone, and then type in the PIN number, and you should be able to hear the audio on your phone. On the right is the Collaborate panel. Here, you can chat with attendees, view other attendees, share content, and view your settings. To view your settings, simply hit the Settings button. Here, you can control audio and video settings, notification settings, and the session settings. Up here is where you can add a profile photo for your session of BBC Collaborate. To chat with attendees of the session, simply hit Chat. Up here is where you can chat with every single member of the session. Here is where you chat privately with the moderator of the session. Here is where if you wish to chat privately with one of the attendees, you simply type in their name and you can chat privately with the attendees. Here is where you can view attendees. You also can see who is inactive and who has left the session. To share content on BBC Ultra Collaborate, simply hit the Share Content button and choose what you would like to share. Up here is where you can share a whiteboard. You can add text, add shapes, draw, and point out useful information. If you wish to stop sharing the whiteboard, simply hit Stop Sharing Whiteboard. If you wish to share your screen with the attendees, simply hit Share Application/Screen. Here you can share your screen, to stop sharing your entire screen, either hit the button here, or hit Stop Sharing Application. To share a specific window, hit Application Window, and choose one. To stop sharing a specific window, simply hit Stop Sharing. You can also share tabs as well. If you wish to share a file with members of the screencast, you can simply hit Share Files. Here you can add a file, or you can pick from ones that you have already uploaded. If you wish to share this with the attendees, hit Share Now, and it should pop up on the screen. Like the whiteboard, it will let you draw, add shapes, some text, and point out useful information. To erase, hit Clear, and it will erase all the information that's on there. To stop sharing the file, simply hit Stop Sharing File. On the bottom of the screen, there are 3 buttons and your profile photo. Here is where you will share your status and settings. Here you can share audio, video, and raise your hand. When you click Raise Your Hand, you will show your hand raised to the rest of the screen. Here, to lower your hand, simply hit the button again. To view your status and settings, here you can see that I am a moderator of this session. You can click the button Away when you are away from the screen. And to show that when you're back, simply hit I'm back. To add feedback to the session, simply hit one of the emoticons, or agree or disagree. And to leave session, simply hit Leave Session. Thank you for viewing my screencast. I hope you all had a nice time and learned as much as I did. Thank you, and good night.